Hello guys, welcome to Ultimate Forex. Let's see the gold chart and today 19th July 2020 Sunday, and I'm going to give you the analysis of gold as we discussed in last week. uh, this one is I have mentioned as WXY. So you can see this is ABC. I count as a wave. This one is 1 2 3. This one is small a, b and c. So this one is b and this is c in a five wave structure. Then I have count this is a x wave and this is z wave, but you can see this one is a five wave structure in a smaller time frame. Yeah, this one is 1 2 3. This is complex 4 correction, this is 5. So I count as a this one is a one wave, and this is flat correction a, b and c. So I give you this is a second wave. So our on a higher degree, see this is the higher degree. See four wave. On a higher degree, 1 2 3 and fourth is complete here. This way, fourth complete here, and we are started in a fifth wave. So fifth of the fifth wave, our higher degrees 3, 4 and fifth. Fifth is complete. 1, 2, 3, 4 is complete and we are in a fifth wave. So you can say as a fifth wave of the fifth wave. So let's see. So we assume our wave is started from the here. So let's try to count the go in a lower degree. Okay. You can see we have give the buy signal around this area for the target of 1810. So it was achieved on Friday. So this one is 1 2 entire 3, and we are in a fourth wave complex correction on a lower degree. So this correction will complete around 1806. Why? Because see this one is a deep correction. Let's count the around 70 percentage, and this one third wave is the impulse. Let's see the Fibonacci. Yeah, it's 261, more than 261 percentage. So this wave, third wave, around 38 percentage of this impulse. Our third is complete around 1806. So we may see a fourth wave correction at 1806 and fifth wave around 1816. So how I count the fifth wave is here. Total 0 to 3, and starting from the lowest point of the fourth wave. So it will around 61 percentage or 38 percentage. So I assume that is 1816. So this wave will complete around here 1816, and we may see then entire 5 wave correction which is around 50 percentage, so 1804. So we are in a one fifth wave this is entire fifth wave, this pink color. One, two, then third wave started from here, but we are in a first wave of the third wave. So one, two. So you should buy here when you see the correction after the 1816. Then you should buy. You should not trade in this area because you will trap here. So any dip around 1804 or 1805 to 6. So in between 1804 to 1806 is a good risk reward area with the stop loss of 1795. Lowest point of this area, which is 1794. So your stop loss is around 1794, $10 stop loss and $10 target. Target price is, if you buy here, then target price is 1816. If you buy here, then you may see a good upper level 1825 or 1834 or 36. We don't know where it will complete third wave, so we will discuss later. So for coming 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, you see the structure: 1806, 1807, 1806, 1816 and 1804. Okay. Now see another pair, US 500. See how I label after the deep correction. I have started the counting as a wave 1. So you can see this one is 1, 2, 3, around 3 2 3 7, then 4, and in a fifth wave. So you should go inside this fifth wave. So where we are in a fifth wave of the 5 impulse move. So you can see this is the wave 1, 2, this is 2, is around 70% correction, and 3 will complete nearly 3495. So we are in a third wave of the fifth wave. So this is the bull run, and inside of this third wave you can see this level 1, 2, and we are in a third wave of the third wave. So next target is 3390, then we may see a retracement up to 3250. It is not exact level, but we may see around this area because this is checked by Fibonacci, and fifth wave may complete around 3495. So you should buy with the stop loss of this second wave 3113 for the target of this kind of structure. So for coming week, you note down these levels. Hope you guys understand the video and wave analysis. If you want my service, which I give you in a Telegram channel, that Ultimate Forex Support, and if you want gold service, so I regularly update on this channel on minute, hourly and daily time frame, and my fees is $21 per month, and I also update the sometimes forex pair and this US market. Okay, thank you guys for watching the video. Share it, subscribe it, like it. Thank you.